Hi there viewers, very warm welcome. It's Simon at D.M Keith Motor Group. I'm down at Canal Road Suzuki again in Bradford, BD2. Just got the keys to this. Now this was one of our demonstrator vehicles. It was registered late September 24. It's a new style Swift. It's the Motion finished in premium silver. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this colour. I drive this very model and I love it. I'm absolutely in awe of it. I get about 60 to the gallon already out of it and I'm just in awe of everything it does. It's really well spec'd. I mean, it's got reverse parking sensors. It's got a full colour funky little reverse camera under there as well. Obviously self-charging now. All vehicles now are hybrid as standard. Don't plug them in. Lovely silver alloy wheels. Every single one is obviously perfect on the car. But yeah, absolutely immaculate. Keyless access in and out of the vehicle, just leaving keys on my person. I've got blind spot detection in the side mirrors there. They're heated for the winter months. Newer style waterfall front grille. Just behind that sensor there, that little panel is some sensors. That's to enable the adaptive cruise control and making sure that you don't get too close up onto a car in front of you, and if you were to do and it stopped abruptly, it can actually apply the brakes in this vehicle. It's an incredible system, really is. Plenty of height adjustment for the driver inside here. Beautiful sculpted seats. Suzuki seats are always comfortable for hours and hours and hours. Just an amazing car, these, they really are. Heated seats, which is just located down, the switch was just down the bottom. We'd have had those on this morning first thing. And then we've got a sort of a newer style dashboard, a little bit more sort of to it, a bit more interest. Now, big navigation head unit in the centre there. We obviously mentioned about having a colour reversing camera. We've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, both enabled, and it is wireless, so you just chuck your phone in your pocket, where you go. Heater controls, and then absolutely stacks and stacks of connectivity, including the smaller USB down there. Now, the car's done 8,218 miles, I see, yeah. Auto headlights on there, lane keeping, all a lot. Start stop button at the front, so you can leave the keys in on the coldest mornings and just ferry up to the car and away you go. We'll have warranty. We'll have until October 2027 directly from Suzuki, and then on completion of an annual service done by a main dealer like ourselves, it triggers you another year of warranty completely free of charge, complimentary, with roadside assistance, and then again and again and again and again, and we do it until the car is a maximum of 7 years old. So you can have it till about October 2031 under complete warranty, peace of mind, roadside assistance all included, just for having it serviced properly. Guys, I'm going to put a link into the description box. Obviously we're formerly Colin Apple Yards, now DM Keith, but to make life simple, because they've got so many hundreds and hundreds of cars on their stock across there, all the manufacturers, click onto the safe link, it'll take you straight through to this car. Then you can click down, reserve it, request a test drive, ask any questions, you know, things like road fund licence and that, insurance groups, and we can organise everything for you in one simple click of a mouse. Have a fabulous day, enjoy this beautiful weather, and we look forward to seeing you soon, maybe hearing from you. Take care guys, as always, drive safely, all the best.